What is going on, everybody? Dadbod Season here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we have some iffy news, right? So I don't really know how to even start this. Obviously you all know that I've ordered my C8 Corvette. I got the call about it being ready to be built. It's supposed to be built in February, end of February. Well, so I'm sitting here and I'm going over all the details of planning the build and everything. And there's some stuff going on, right? I guess some bad news. But before we get to that, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps me out. But let's get to the bad news here. The bad news is I had an amazing build in my mind for this car. I was so ready, and then specifically the wrap. Obviously we're a wrap shop, so I wanted to have a crazy wrap for this car. That was crazy, but it was clean. It would have been perfect. And this color, I've seen it available, but I've never seen it on a car. I've never seen it in person. I was like, this is perfect. It's exactly what I want. It was rather expensive, but it was worth it. It would fit that car perfectly, and it would just be amazing, right? So I go to call to, check up on the things. I go to the website and through the people that we use to get our vinyl, and I don't see it on the website anymore. And I'm like, okay. Hopefully I didn't sell out of it, but a lot of their colors weren't loading, so I was like, oh, maybe their website's glitching out. So I call, and I asked them, hey, what's going on with this color? It was there. I had the color memorized because I knew it's what I wanted. I was like, so what happened to I want to order a roll of this vinyl. They're like, oh, it's not available. And I was like, oh, is it not available as in you guys are sold out right now, or what's the back order? They're like, oh no, actually, the brand, which is Avery Dennison cut back on all their vinyl. They're only now selling their top selling vinyl. They're only producing that because of the shortages and how hard it is to ship things now and all that and all this stuff. They blamed it on you know what. They blamed it on that. And I was like, okay, so you're telling me you guys don't have any? I was like, it literally 2 days ago it said you guys had some. I was calling today because I was going to order it today, and so I was going to order it with other vinyl that we're already ordering today. And they were like, no, we do not have any. I was like, so did you sell out of it? It was there. He said you had it in stock. So what happened? And basically I got nowhere with the person. They just kept saying, oh, we can't sell it to you, or we don't have it, or whatever. And they just kept saying, not available, not available, not available. So now it's got me questioning everything I had in my mind for this build, because I was doing the build around this color. That's the main part, that's, so you want to do the calibers to go with it, and all this stuff. I had it all in my head. Everything was going to have a nice flow, nice theme to it, and now it's no longer available. So now I'm left just baffled on what to do, because I thought I had it all planned out. I thought I was gonna have the coolest build you guys have probably seen on YouTube of this car. I mean, not necessarily the fastest, not like Emilio Hartford's 1500 horsepower C8 twin turbo, but just an all around cool, clean looking build. And I had sponsors lined up for other parts, which, I mean, that could still happen. Those other sponsors will still probably happen, but it was gonna fit so well. It was perfect in my head. I was like, this is the best C8 possible, C8 Stingray possible, by far. But now we're here. So I need your guys' help. I want something unique that is, one, it cannot be a color that Corvette already offers, right? So it can't be a rapid blue, like close to the Supra, because the Supra is close to the Rapid Blue that they have available. It would just blend in with all the other Rapid Blues. Maybe it's a little bit different shade, but you know what I mean. I want it to be standing out. A lot of people have recommended purple to me. I love purple on the C8, but there's one problem. As you guys all probably know, Stradman has the purple Army, and his cars look amazing. I wish I could do it, but I'm not going to copy him. I don't want to copy anyone. I want to be completely separate. So basically, I'm coming to you guys right now asking for your opinion. I just need a color for the wrap. Once I get the color for the wrap down, then we can boogie, and I can start planning other things. And if you guys have other ideas, you can comment those as well. But the color for the wrap is the main key point, because honestly, I have to order it like as soon as possible. That way, as soon as the car comes in, it's going home and getting disassembled that same night and starting the wrap. And that first week I'm owning the car, I'm not going to drive it. We're going to wrap it, and it's going to be completely protected. And we're going to ceramic coat. We're going to do a bunch of stuff. But I need the color. I need you guys to help me out here on it. So let me know in the comments what color you think would be perfect for this car. It's stressing me out. Like I'm getting like gray hairs over it, which is it's dumb, but I want it to be perfect for you guys. So on a good note, other than that, if you guys haven't seen my TikToks or whatever, go check it out. Dadbot Season 610 on TikTok. We've been going live a lot, almost every night now on TikTok, just talking to a bunch of people. We gained like 5,000 or 6,000 followers in one night on TikTok in a live stream. Had over 600,000 people in there. We had over 1.1 million likes in one live stream. Like, it was going crazy. It was awesome. Great time. Everyone had fun. Doing a little side project that you can check out if you go to the TikTok. I'm not going to mention it on YouTube, but you can go check it out on the TikTok. Really cool. It does involve rap. But I had a subscriber, remake my car, my Supra, right now, to the T on the new Forza Horizon. Made my car to the T, including the DBS custom decals, the Dadbot Season 610 YouTube decals, like everything. It looked perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop that in. Looked absolutely awesome, right? So then my wife sees it, and she's like, that is great. And then a lot of other people are like, hey, I'm going to do that with her car. So then she got sent a Mustang that matches her car to the T, and in a little video clip, I'll play it right now. And it turned out absolutely amazing. That kind of stuff, like, obviously there's no money involved there. There's like nothing crazy. That stuff is awesome. It, like, I can't describe how it feels like for you guys to be wanting to make the cars that we own and stuff like that. It's like, it's crazy. It's so crazy. So thank you all for all the support. I just want to say that it's beyond imaginable what I thought this would ever be, and what I'd ever be able to do. And to the next point, this is currently on Tuesday night. This video is going up. We are coming out with a merch line again. I know I teased it for a little bit. After the giveaways, we stopped really doing merch. Everyone on TikTok, they're like, dude, I want a merch line. They're like, we want to support you, we want to support you, we want to support you. And I mean, thousands of people. You guys want stuff that we can create. They want Dadbot Season stuff, which, that's awesome. Rep the brand, rep the family. You're all part of the family. So we're working on more stuff now. It's going to be up hopefully within the next week or two, and I'll get everything set up, and then we'll have an actual drop. I'll announce it. We'll go live for it. It'll be a whole thing. So I'm super excited for it. Hopefully you guys are excited too. You can leave some comments below about like what merch you guys want to see. We're gonna do a limited Supra line because this is the last merch drop we're ever gonna do with the Supra. We'll have the C8 for the next one, and then we're also gonna do a Mustang line for the wife's car, and then we'll do some other stuff too, and some more generic stuff. But yeah, let me know what you guys want to see in there, and yeah, I just can't thank you guys enough for all the support. It's been a wild 2 years now on YouTube, almost 2 years. I think next month is 2 years, so it's been wild. It's been an awesome ride. I wouldn't trade it for anything, and I'm so happy for all your guys' support, and so thankful. You guys have really changed my life more than you could possibly know. So with all that being said, if you did enjoy today's video, make sure you smash that like button. Definitely subscribe. Tell anyone and everyone you know to hop on the Dad Bod Season train. Join the Dad Bod Season family, and I will see you all next time. Dad Bod Season out.